I give a 21 gunshot salute. With the toy rifle that you bought me, but it won't shoot. On a long trip, I'm glad I took it. It was well worth it. First getting the magic, underground phenomenon. Everybody's like, pick a car. I hit with the kids. It was a top 10. I wasn't pop then, so I missed the bus a bit. But politics was on everybody's hot this summer list. I stopped. I made myself a half man. Can I kick it?